Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible? ऐकू येते का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, योगेश ऐकू येते?
हो मॅम.
Okay, today we are going to see localization and positioning. Okay. Actually, what is localization on position are like the same similar concept, but some differences. Localization in some area is there, and position in actual position. Okay. Why we need localization position is in our sensor network we deploy our sensor network in a remote location or anywhere, and in that there are thousands many sensors. Okay, that sensors are we just put and we don't know their position. Then in that case it is our network is like a useless. Okay, like see, whenever we are deploy our network in forest services to detect um, you a fire alarm or sometimes detect the tiger or sometimes in tracking position also. We need to know about position of that sensor from where this information is coming. Okay, because so that we need to calculate the position and localization of that particular sensors. Okay, whenever the event is detected and some event is happened or triggered, that time we need to localize. Other in also in cellular system, also in army, in forest. Okay, forest and is also uh, army. Okay, BSF, border force service, and also in anywhere. Okay, and we can use GPS also, but GPS has some limitations like energy cost and their cost, and also sometimes we need to maintain our scalability of our network. So GPS is sometimes is not useful, and also GPS is sometimes in indoor it might be give wrong location. Okay, then properties of the localization and positioning. Okay, these are coordinated and okay. Physical position versus symbolic position. Okay, does the system provide data about the physical position of the node in some numeric coordinate system? Like normally we take a position in longitude and latitude in the form. Okay, अक्षांश आणि रेखांश मध्ये आपल्याला नॉर्मली आपण जीपीएस मध्ये जे डेटा म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये हे करून डिटेक्ट करतो. ओके, डज नोड लर्न अबाउट सिम्बॉलिक लोकेशन, एक्झाम्पल लिव्हिंग रूम, ओके, ऑफिस, building. These are the symbolic form. Okay, and actual numeric coordination means physical position. Okay, then while two concepts are different, there is no consistent nomenclature in the traditional position and location. Okay, are often used interchangeably. दोन्ही पोझिशन आणि लोकेशन हे नॉमेनक्लेचरनी डिफरन्स आहेत. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये जस्ट नॉमेनक्लेचरनी डिफरन्स आहेत. ओके, टू कन्सेप्ट आर डिफरंट. ओके, ते दोन्ही डिफरंट कन्सेप्ट आहेत आणि ते इंटरचेंजेबली आपण यूज करतो. ओके, position म्हणजे actual position. Location means location is also like area or same but different there. Okay, tendency is to use location as more general term, and we have to rely on a context to distinguish between these two contexts. Okay, then absolute versus relative coordinates. Okay, whenever we calculating absolute means see, when we are deploying our WSN network in any remote location or anywhere in, okay, that we need to some reference locations to calculate, or we know first some reference location. After that, from that reference location, we can calculate like uh, क्लस्टरिंग मध्ये कसं पाहिलं आपण तिथं क्लस्टर हेड असतो, त्याच्यानंतर याच्यामध्ये सिंक्रोनायझेशन मध्ये रेफरन्स नोड असतो, त्याला बीकॉन नोड म्हटलं आपण. पण याच्यामध्ये जे रेफरन्स नोड म्हणून यूज करणार आहे त्याला अँकर नोड म्हणायचं. की अँकर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्रॉम दॅट अँकर्स whenever we are deploying our WSN network, that time we know some reference nodes address. Okay, from that address we can calculate. Okay, that is a relative address, and absolute coordinate means we know about actual coordinators, okay, of that node. That is nothing but absolute coordinate and coordinators. And whenever we are calculating our particular nodes coordinators with respect to anchors, okay, that are nothing but a relative coordinators. At least three or two, at least three for two-dimensional system. Okay, we should know reference anchors, like anchors that at least three for two-dimensional calculation. Okay, then the anchors are also commonly known as beacons or landmarks in literature. Okay. Next आहे localization versus centralized computation. Are any required computation performed locally by the participants on the basis of some local available measurement or are measurements reported to the central station, the computation position or location, and distribute them back to the participants. Okay. Okay. Whenever for calculating our location or position, we when at a centralized station we compute, that is nothing but a centralized computation. And whenever we are calculating that coordinator and that relative uh, coordinators, we are calculating at local positions, that where we deployed our WSN network, or at that node, that is nothing but a local computation. Then accuracy and precision. The two most important figures of merits for localization systems are accuracy and precision of its results. Okay. We seen in clustering or not in synchronization also there is accuracy and precision is also important. Here is also accuracy and precision is very important, because accuracy whenever we are calculating location, that or accuracy means what? Location is absolute location we can find, and we can go there whenever we detect the event. It's nothing but accuracy. Okay. Okay. Positioning accuracy is the largest distance between estimated and the true position of the entity. Okay. Accuracy here same. What is the difference between our calculated accuracy, calculated location, and actual position of that network? Is difference between it is zero. It means accuracy is high. It's nearly more than zero means accuracy is less. Okay. High accuracy indicates that small maximum mismatch. Okay. Then precision is the ratio which a given accuracy is reached average over any repeated attempts to determine the position. Okay. Okay, precision is nothing but we reached the accuracy, but for calculation of the actual position, we attempt a repeated position for calculation. Okay, and for example, system could claim to provide 20 centimeter accuracy with at least 25 95% precision. Okay, then scale a system can be intended for different scales. Okay. WSN systems have different scales. Okay. Indoor deployment, the size of the room or building, or outdoor deployment, the parking lot, or even worldwide operation. Okay. Then two important metrics here are the area of the area, sorry, here the area the system can cover per unit of the infrastructure and the number of locatable objects per unit of the infrastructure per interval. Okay. Scale means one node how much area will cover, that is nothing but a scale. Okay. Here. Then see, this is a coordinator, x coordinator, y coordinator. These three antennas, that is anchors. Then these three sensors are here. We can calculate this using some techniques which are going to see. We are going to see. Okay. Then limitations. Okay. Every technique has some limitations, and also localization has some limitation. Like for some positional techniques, there are inherent deployment limitations. GPS, for example, does not work indoor. Other systems have only limited range over they operate. Okay. GPS, global positioning system, it does not work on indoor. Okay. Or some other we are using that also some limited range problem. Okay. Then cost. Um, then cost. Okay. Positioning system causes cost in time. Okay. Infrastructure installment administration. Then space, device size, space for infrastructure, energy during operation, capital, uh, price of the node and infrastructure installment. Uh, Anchor nodes have some inbuilt or some GPS or some positioning system. Okay, they show, but when our sensor network don't have a positioning system, then if you want to uh, external GPS system or local positioning system, location and positional system with that sensor node, that will be cost, and also some required more space, also energy required, energy efficient network. Then whenever we are see our cell phone, when we turn on our this location time or GPS, that time also our mobile power battery is also fastly discharging. Okay. So that is also one of the limitation. Okay. Next part is possible approaches. Okay. What are possible approaches? Proximity. Exploit finite range of wireless communication. Example, easy to determine location in a room with infrared room number announcement. Okay. Electrician. Proximity exploit a finite range of wireless communication. Okay, proximity means there should be some range using infrared room. We can announce this number that is easy to determine location, but using tri or multilateration and angulation. When the distance between entities like nodes are used, the approach is called lateration. Okay. When distance, okay, distance approach between two nodes or many entities, we can calculate using distance. Is nothing but lateration. When angle between nodes are used, then one talk about angulation. Okay. ज्यावेळेस आपण distance use करून calculation करतो, that method is nothing but lateration method. And whenever we are calculating using angle, that method is nothing but angulation. To overcome this imperfection, distance measurement from more than 3 anchors can be used. Okay. In 3D position, we need minimum 3 anchors. Okay. To imprecise or to high accuracy or precision is less. That for that purpose, we use minimum minimum anchors should be 3, okay, more than 3. Then resulting in multilateration problem. Multilateration is a core solution technique used and reused in many concrete system described. Okay. Then use the distance and angle estimation, simply geometry to compute the position. Okay. Estimation of lateration and angulation is simple geometry computation. Okay. Now, whenever you using distance, then we found out some triangles here. We can find some triangles like this using right angle triangle, that is Pythagoras premise is here, like a geometry. Then angulation, some other system use this like a geometry. Then second is sense analysis. Radio environment has a characteristic like a signature. Can be measured beforehand, stored compared with the current situation. Okay. This is the angle here, and this is the length. This is also angle. Okay. Okay, this is the length, and this we can draw some right angle triangle using then this is length. How measure this length, and using this we can calculate. This is a right angle triangle. Here is also using angle method means this is from here and this is parallel to here. If you know about this angle, this is opposite angle, same is here. Then we can calculate remaining two angles. Okay. Similarly, and using coordinate methods, you can calculate. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Then this is R1, R2, R3. How we can calculate. ओके, इथले कोऑर्डिनेटर माहिती आहेत आणि इथले कोऑर्डिनेटर माहिती आहेत, इथले काढू शकतो आपण. ओके, युजिंग सम डिफरन्स मेथड याच्यामधला डिस्टन्स काढू शकतो आपण. त्याच्यानंतर इथला R1, R2, R3 काढू शकतो. ओके, कोऑर्डिनेटरनी डिस्टन्स मेथड किंवा अँगल मेथड यूज करून रिमेनिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर आपण काढू शकतो. ओके, next part is received strength, signal strength indicator. Okay, estimation distance RSSI. Okay, send out the signal of known strength are received. Okay, a signal send केलेला आहे with received signal ची strength आपल्याला माहित आहे, म्हणजे we know that. Okay, how much signal strength is which are going to send from here. Or okay, then signal strength and path loss coefficient to be estimated distance. This is power signal. Power received at receiver is equal to P received is equal to PTX transmitted power upon C into D raised to alpha, and D is equal to C. Similarly, this is distance. D is nothing but I will calculate is the simple. Here is equation arrangement is there. See here if P receives is gone here equal to just पलीकडे आला तर तो डिवाइड मध्ये येणार, म्हणजे डिनॉमिनेटर आणि P आणि C आहे तो मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये आहे. देन अल्फा D रेज टू अल्फा आहे म्हणून अंडर रूट ऑफ अल्फा रूट ऑफ C PTX upon P received. Okay, this is the equation of this. It is here power transmitted signal transmission power is PTX, then received signal strength PR3VD. Okay, then high error prone process shown. Okay, PDF for RX fixed RS. Okay, signal received signal. Okay, this is random nature of mapping of RSSI received signal strength indicator value to distance. Okay, distance ni कसं चेंज होतं आणि PDF म्हणजे probability density function with distance. Okay, probability density function of distance resulting in a given received signal strength indicator. हे जे आहे प्रोबॅबिलिटी मध्ये आहे म्हणजे डिस्टन्स असेल तर RSS आहे तर त्याला प्रोबॅबिलिटी किती आहे म्हणजे किती रिसीव्ह सिग्नल होत आहे. Here is also some several probability density functions of distance for various given RSSI value. Here is signal strength, then distance, then there is PDF. Automatically signal strength वाढत गेले, distance वाढत जसं signal strength वाढत गेलेला आहे. 0 ला कमी होईल. Again some at the 40 पर्यंत सगळ्यात जास्त सिंगल स्ट्रेंथ आहे आणि त्या सिंगल स्ट्रेंथ जास्त असेल तर ऑटोमॅटिक PDF पण जास्त असणार आहे. डेन्सिटी ऑफ प्रोबॅबिलिटी. ओके, एका लिमिट पर्यंत सिग्नल स्ट्रेंथ वाढत जाईल त्याच्यानंतर तो ऑटोमॅटिकली कमी होत जाईल. ओके, कारण लॉस होईल तिथे डिस्टन्स. Then we need to calculate time of arrival using. Okay? Use the time of transmission, propagation speed, time of arrival, compute the distance. Okay. See, similar we use the for positioning in sonar system. Okay. सोनार मध्ये आपण तेच वापरतो ना की कोणी use the time of transmission, propagation speed and time of arrival with the distance. Then next method is time difference of arrival. Okay, use two different signals with different propagation speed. Example, ultrasound and radios. सोनार मध्ये अल्ट्रासाउंडच यूज करतो. त्याच्या इकोनुसार आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेट झाल्यानंतर त्याचं पॉवर सिग्नल हे करतो, डिस्टन्स फाइंड करतो. ओके, then propagation time of radio signal negligible compared to ultrasound. Computer difference between arrival time to computer distance. Okay? वेगवेगळे सी प्रत्येक सिग्नल जेव्हा अरायवल टाइम जेव्हा हे करतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला ऍप्टी मध्ये पाहिलंच असेल तुम्ही, म्हणजे ऍप्टी शिकवताना त्याच्यामध्ये दोन ट्रेनचे स्पीड माहित असेल तर आपण ऑटोमॅटिकली त्याच्यात डिस्टन्स बिटवीन दॅट टू ट्रेन किंवा त्याचं स्पीड किंवा त्याची लेंथ सगळं कॅल्क्युलेट करतो. सिमिलरली इथेही असं आहे की जे अल्ट्रासाउंड आणि रेडिओ सिग्नल ट्रान्समिट करणार आहे. अल्ट्रासाउंड रेडिओ सिग्नल फास्ट आहे ऍज कम्पेअर टू अल्ट्रासाउंड. ओके, त्याच्यामुळं आपण म्हणजे डिस्टन्स कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. डिस्टन्स किती आहे स्टेशन पासून ते आणि अँगल ऑफ अरायवल जर कन्सिडर केला तर ते ऑटोमॅटिक आपण त्या अँगलने जाऊन पोझिशन कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. ओके, प्रॉब्लेम इज कॅलिब्रेशन, एक्सपेन्सिव्ह एनर्जी, इंटेन्सिव्ह हार्डवेअर. याचा प्रॉब्लेम काय असू शकतो की कॅलिब्रेशन आहे, एक्सपेन्सिव्ह एनर्जी लागणार आहे. कारण सिग्नल ट्रान्समिट करून त्याला त्याची स्पीड कॅल्क्युलेट करून त्यानंतर कॉम्प्युटेशन करून आपण पोझिशन करणार आहे. हार्डवेअर लागणार आहे. Determining the angles. Directional antennas. We need to use the directional antennas which are used on the node च्या जवळ. Okay, then mechanically rotating or electrically steerable. Mechanically rotate आहेत आणि electrically steerable आहे. On several axis points. Several axis points देखील charge rotating at a different offsets. Angle difference घेऊन प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपण त्याच ठराविक ऑफसेट म्हणजे एक रेफरन्स पॉईंट घेतो त्याच्याने ठराविक अँगल आणि त्याच तेवढ्याच अँगलने प्रत्येक ठिकाणी रोटेट करू. The time between beacon allows to compute angles of alpha 5 to 5 3 phi alpha phi okay alpha beta gamma 5 to 5 3 phi alpha beta gamma सेम जे अँकर नोड्स आहे तिथून जे आपण म्हणजे जो ऑफसेट घेणार आहे तो इज नथिंग बट अल्फा नाही आहे ते साय आणि सायच्या जेवढे साय आहे ते फर्स्ट जो अँकर आहे तो फक्त अल्फा साय एवढ्या अँगलने रोटेट करणार. सेकंड अँकर जो आहे तो 2 साइन नंतर थर्ड जो आहे तो 3 साइन अँगल रोटेट करू आणि ओरिजिनल पोझिशन. त्याच्यानंतर त्याचे अँगल जे आहेत ते हा रेफरन्स पॉइंट घेणार आहे आपण. ओके आणि इथून जो अँगल अल्फाने रोटेट केल्यानंतर साइन रोटेट केल्यानंतर जो अँगल मिळणार आहे त्या सेन्सर नोडशी अल्फा आणि थर्ड अँकर नोड अल्फाने रोटेट केल्यानंतर त्याचा जो अँगल विथ नोडशी किती मिळणार आहे अल्फा बीटा देन 3 साइन रोटेट केल्यानंतर जो अँगल मिळणार आहे तो नथिंग बट गॅमा. आणि हे ट्रायंगल मिळाले. एकदा ट्रायंगल का मिळाले की आपण ऑटोमॅटिकली त्याचे अँगल्स पोझिशन डिस्टन्स सगळेच कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. ओके अँड ऑल्सो rectangle create झाला. It may be triangle or some hexagon and all the shape will be here if you put more angles. Okay. Some range signals of location techniques. Overlapping connectivity. Some range free signal of location techniques. Okay. Overlapping connectivity. Okay. Position is estimated in the center of the area where a circle from which signal is heard or not heard overlap. Okay. Some range free means जे हे अँकर आहे त्याच्यात पण रेंज याच्यामध्ये करणार आहे आणि एखाद्या नोडची पोझिशन कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी प्रत्येक नोड पासून त्याच्या रेंजच्या अंडर येते का बघणार आणि त्याच्यात आपण ते ओव्हरलॅप झालेलं पोझिशन आपल्याला ऑटोमॅटिक माहित होणार आहे. तिथं सिग्नल जास्त रेंज जास्त असेल ना, 2 ओव्हरलॅपिंग सिग्नल आहेत तर सिग्नल स्ट्रेंथ ऑटोमॅटिकली हाय असेल आणि तिथून तो पोझिशन ऑटोमॅटिक आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. ओके सर्कल्स इथे बघा या नोडचं हे आहे ते तेवढा डिस्टन्स मध्ये सॉरी एवढ्या एरियामध्ये कव्हर होतो रेंज आणि या अँकर नोडचा एवढा होतो अँकर नोडचा एवढा होतो एवढा मीन्स याच्यामध्ये ओव्हरलॅपिंग होतं या दोनचा. ओके these bottom hooks are overlapping सिग्नल आणि तिथून आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो पोझिशन. ओके then approximation points in the triangular. Okay, determine the triangle of anchor nodes where node is inside a overlap with them. Okay, this is correct one, this is not. We can't calculate this. Okay, using approximation method. ठराविक जे अँकर नोड्स आहेत ते ट्रायंग्युलर पोझिशन मध्ये असतात म्हणजे ट्रायंग्युलर मध्ये डिप्लॉयमेंट असतील आणि त्याच्या आतमध्ये जे येणारे आहेत का बघून त्याच्या थ्रू आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो अप्रॉक्सिमेट. ओके फाइंड द अँगल्स ऑफ द triangles of the anchor nodes where node is inside or over of them. म्हणजे फर्स्ट आधी ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ केला त्याच्याने स्ट्रेंथनी कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो आपण आणि त्याच्या इनसाइड येत आहेत का आउटसाइड येतात ते कॅल्क्युलेट केलं. चेक वेदर इनसाइड a given triangle move one node or stimulate movement by asking neighbors. Okay, जर ते इनसाइड नसतील तर त्यांना इनसाइड मूव्ह approximate, only approximation, approximately correct असणार आहेत. Okay. Then next part is mathematical basic or lateration problem. Solution with three anchors, correct distance values. Okay. आपण solution with three anchor म्हणजे आपण सोल्युशन कशासाठी three anchor साठी घेऊ शकतो आणि मॅक्स करेक्ट डिस्टन्स व्हॅल्यू करेक्ट घेऊ शकतो. मोर दॅन three anchors असेल तरी आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. इट्स विल बी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ओके. Assuming distance of 3 points with known location are exactly given. Okay. Distance 3 points. ज्या 3 points जे आहेत ते करेक्ट लोकेशन आपल्याला नोन आहे त्यांनी सॉल्व इक्वेशन पायथागोरस हे पायथागोरस first coordinate is xi and yi coordinates of the anchor point I. जो पॉइंट एंकर पॉइंट आहे तो I आहे आणि त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट xi and yi आहे and ri distance to the anchor I. Okay. इथे बघा हा पॉइंट आहे नोड आणि हा xi चा हा जो आहे तो I as a consider we can I anchor आणि इथून इथे जो डिस्टन्स आहे तो r आहे. Similarly we can assume. And next anchor, this is an unknown coordinate. The node. Okay. Xu and Iu, this is a node which is unknown, and we are going to calculate or determine. Sorry, not calculating, determining the coordinate of that node. Like we are calculating coordinate and determining position of that unknown node. Okay. Then xi minus xu whole square plus y1 minus yu square is equal to ri square. This is the equation of circle. Okay, you know equation of circle is nothing but what is that? X square minus r plus r square plus y square divided by r square is equal to 1. Okay, whenever the radius is 1, in that case x square plus y square is equal to 1. Similarly, it is like a circle equation because see, this is a circle. Okay, this is we are considering anchor range, anchor nodes, anchor however range or transmission power is like with the distance r, and we draw that circle, and similarly that from here to here is we can draw again from this distance using that x coordinate divided by y divided by radius plus y coordinate divided by radius is equal to 1. That is equation of circle. Okay. Similarly, in this equation we can write as all three. Okay. Okay, I will show you in paint. Okay. See, equation is this is a general equation. Then we are going to consider three anchors. So for three anchors, different equations will be there. Okay. See here. This is x1 minus x u total wholes minus y1 minus yu total whole square is equal to r1 square. For this anchor node, this is r1 is nothing but the distance between anchor node 1 and that we are going to calculating the coordinate of that unknown sensor. Okay, this is equation 1. Okay, then similarly here x2 minus xu whole square minus पेंट मध्ये असल्यामुळे व्यवस्थित दिसत नाही, थोडं समजून घ्या. एवढं काही हार्ड नाही आहे समजण्यासारखं. जस्ट मी इक्वेशन समजावं म्हणून लिखते. y4 म्हणू नका इथे, u इथे. Then r2 whole square. This is equation number 2. Similarly, equation 3 काय आहे कोणी सांगू शकेल का? प्राजक्ता, in Prajakta is absent today. Pallavi Mane.
Yes.
You have any problem today? How we can write equation 3? Can you explain? Roll number 47, Harshal. Adam. Unmute yourself. Harshal. Fire gained. कोणीच सांगत नाही, ठीक आहे. x3 minus x4 u whole square minus y3 minus y u whole square is equal to r3 square. This is equation number 3. Then we are going to print screen. New slide. Okay, these are the equations. Then first, subtracting equation 3 from 1 and 2. Okay. Now we are subtracting here equation 3 from 1 and 2. Okay. The x1 from equation 1, we are subtracting equation 3. X1 minus x2 whole square minus 3. Third x coordinate is nothing but 3 minus xu whole square plus y1 minus yu whole square minus y3 minus yu whole square is equal to, similarly right hand side, then r1 square minus r2 square. Similarly equation, we are subtracting equation 3 from equation 2 is nothing but x2 minus xu whole square minus, here is wrong equation. Okay. Here will be instead of x3, x2 here, both in both places, x3 will be there. Okay. There will be 3 here, okay, here and here. Okay, it's okay. This part is here they are written correct. Then rearranging the given equations. Okay, these two equations are rearranged here. How? Extreme 3 minus x1 xu plus, we are used here this म्हणजे a square plus b square चा काय असतो, a square plus b square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly that इथं एक्सपांड केलेला आहे त्याचा, त्याच्यानुसार रिअरेंज केलेले आहे. त्याच्यानुसार रिअरेंज केलेले आहेत ते इक्वेशन. त्यानुसार काय 2x3 minus x1 xu plus 2y3 minus y1 yu which is equal to r1 square minus r2 square minus x1 square minus x3 square plus minus x3 x1 square minus x3 square. Then similarly this equation is also इथं बरोबर घेतलं बघा ते. तर 3 त्याचे 3 घ्यायचं होतं त्यांचं राहिलेलं आहे, बट रिअरेंजमेंट मध्ये करेक्ट आहे इक्वेशन. ओके. Then we draw matrix. Okay. We take coefficients of this two here. Xu and yu are the variables. Okay. Independent variables. Okay. Sorry, dependent variables and x1 and x3 and y1 and y2 y1 y3 are independent variables. Similarly here is also okay. Then we are taking x1 y1 is equal to 2 and 1, then 2 y2 is equal to 3 and 4, x3 y3 is equal to 8 and 2. Okay. Then how कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो, r1 100 2 आणि r3 2 आहे, r3 जे आहे ते 3 आहे. ओके. तर काय याच्या इक्वेशन नुसार बघा, फर्स्ट काय x3 minus x1, x3 काय आहे 8 minus 2 is 6, then y3 minus y1 y3 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Then x3 minus x2 x3. Okay. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. Then again y3 minus y2 2 minus 4, then minus 2. Okay. Then xu yu, then this 64 and 20. Again we use the matrix multiplication and all to solve this. याचा आन्सर काय आहे कोणी सांगू शकता काय मॅट्रिक्स सॉल्व करून multiplication of two matrix. Okay, using that we create equations and from that we calculate this. Okay, then xu and yu matrix multiplication येत आहे ना. Okay, एंड मध्ये मी सॉल्व करून दाखवते. एक काय होतं 2 कॉमन होतं 6xu plus xyu plus 1 असल्यामुळे y is equal to 64 divided by 2. Then next equation is 3xu minus 2yu is equal to 22 divided by 2. 3 and minus 2. 3 xu minus 2y is equal to 22 divided by 2. Which is equal to the 32 in half with the 21 in half. Then we are going to the only multiply with same as in 6 xu minus 4y which is equal to 22. Then we are going to minus this equation. 32 मधून okay 10 xu then minus plus 5. Okay. Then y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 still 11 y is equal to 1. Enter. You can put this value y is equal to in any equation, then we automatically get x. Okay, put here. Then 30, 6 divided by 6x is equal to 30 and x is equal to 5. Okay, we get this coordinate. Okay, simple matrix multiplication is there, matrix one. Then what if the only distance estimation is Ri0 plus Ri plus epsilon I available. Use multiple angles over the determined system. Okay, equation. Then याच्यामध्ये बघा खूप सारे इक्वेशन म्हणजे आपण इथे थ्रीच अँकरनी केलेला आहे म्हणून आपल्याला मॅट्रिक्स मिळाला x -x1. ओके, सिमिलरली आपल्याला इनफायनाइट n नंबर ऑफ अँकर्स असतील तर xn मायनस जो डिटरमाइन करणार आहे त्याच्या शेजारचा जो n नंबर ऑफ अँकर्स असतील तर xn हा आहे. xn लास्ट वाला जो अँकर आहे, how many anchors? n numbers. Then n number minus x1. Okay, then next after xn minus x2, then xn minus x3. Similarly, okay, here is less than number of anchors. Okay, one less than one. Okay, similarly here is also okay. Then here is also okay. X r1 square minus x1 square minus rn square minus y1 square minus y equation काय येईल इथं r2 square minus rn square minus x2 square minus xn square minus y2 square minus yn square. Similarly, we can write and use xu and yu that maximize the mean square error. Okay, that is determinant of a minus b. Okay, look at the square of the Euclidean norm. First note that v determinant of absolute value of v square is equal to vt. Vt is transverse for all vectors. Okay, आपण थांबूया इथं. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर संपल्या